Hey guys, I'm back. And you know what? Today, we're going to start doing blocking. Bridge blocking, to be exact. Let's get this thing done.
This is Clarence Cadiddlehopper, and you're watching my YouTube channel. Woo, doggy, let's go build, break, or blow something up.
Okay guys, so today, what we're going to do is, we're going to be inserting our bridge blocking across between our studs. And what that's going to do is just keep them evenly spaced and keep them from bowing side to side. It's just going to add a little bit more rigidity. And what I'm going to do to begin with is I've already measured them, and they're 10 and 5/8 inches apart. And I need 1, 2, 3, 4. Going to skip this one, this one, this one. 5, 6, 7. Now, I'm not going to do the end right here because I don't want to chance bowing the end because I'm off just a hair. I'll do those after I get the sheeting on. Let's go. Okay guys, I got all of my blocks cut and I'm fixing to nail them in, but I thought I'd just tell you what I'm using to cut them all. I have a DeWalt sliding compound miter saw that is a DW708. Had it for a long time. I actually got it for free because it was broken, and I rewired it and had it ever since. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to not worry so much about perfection as much as I want to know that I don't want to go dead center because, you know, I'm 6'2" up here. But I want to be able to know whenever I'm doing the interior stuff that at 3 foot, I have a block. So I'm going to measure them all off, mark them, and then I'll start nailing in. Okay, there's another advantage to doing it this way. Whenever I go to nail my siding on, stapling it on, I will know that at 3 foot, and I think it was 13/16 from the bottom, I think that's how wide or how thick my flooring was, that I have a plate that is above that. So then I'll know exactly where I can staple those to. Now the difference is on this, you know, I turned my studs where they were running parallel like this, and I don't want them running parallel like that. I'm going to turn them the opposite so I have a big flat nailing surface. And you see some of them are loose and some of them are tight. That's because some of my wood's actually moved. Okay, so I've got this bridge blocking in. Lay your eyes on that. That's what happens when you're looking, you know, through half a bifocal and half not. You get it way off. But now I will skip this one. And the reason I'm skipping this one is I haven't decided yet, but I may have a wall that sticks out here on both sides. And if I do, I want to use this as my electrical chase through the wall, up through this one section, and then across. If that's the case, I'll come back later and put my block in inside whenever I'm ready if I decide I want the wall or not. And I'll do it a little differently so that I can get my electrical through. But now I'm going to go ahead and do this one and this one. And the way I'm going to do that is just, I'm going to individually measure how wide these are. Okay, now that I've got all my bridge blocking done, what do I need to do next? Well, if you remember, I've got my ceiling rails going across, and I need to add one last piece so I don't have a big gap here and I have something to nail my roof to on the very edge. So I'll add this to the very top, right here. And then I'll continue on. Alright guys, so I got my last top piece cut. I measured from one end to the other, marked my angle, got it, cut it first, and then measured back 41 1/4, which was my measurement. Yours will be totally different. Now I'm going to nail it. And there it is, guys. Simple blocking, ridge band at the top. You know what? Next episode, we'll be putting sheathing on. But for now, if you're enjoying these, or if you're just interested, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see more, maybe even look around somewhere else on here, and I have a link to all of them, the entire series. Y'all have a good evening. Now go build something. Or at least break it. And if you're one of my redneck friends, just blow it up. Good night.